In the past, if you had an idea or a problem that you wanted to solve, it often remained unexplored. This was due to developing apps requiring a computer science degree, a multitude of certifications, and years of experience in coding. But times have changed. Now it no longer matters. If you have an idea of an app that you like to build, you can easily build it utilizing vibe coding. Vibe coding is simply writing instructions to AI, and AI can then build out your ideas for you. Welcome to today's video, which shows you how to build an app in 3 simple steps without a coding background. Now for step 1, it is to choose your actual platform/model of choice that you will utilize to actually build the app, ultimately choosing the AI that you actually want. There are a multitude of options for us to choose from, such as Claude Code by Anthropic or ChatGPT by OpenAI. They have a platform called Codex where you can write natural language or plain language text, and then the AI can then go out and build the application platforms for you. But today we are going to utilize Replit. The reason I chose Replit because it is one of my favorite platforms, since it is easy to use as a platform while you can have complex creative application platforms that solve real problems. Now on to step 2. Now step 2 is the most important step, and this is the step where you write the prompt. Writing the prompt is simple. All you do is, in plain human language and complete sentences, explain to AI in 1 paragraph, typically 3 to 5 sentences, exactly what you want the app to be, what you want it to do, and what problem it is that you're trying to get the application to solve. And in this example, all I did was write, I want to track my dietary health and physical fitness in an app called Your Healthy Balance. I want the app to allow users to select their age, gender, and ethnicity, as well for tailored results and feedback regarding their overall health. All that is saying is I want an application created that allows users to track their physical health and then also their dietary health as well, but allow them to tailor it based off of their demographic background, since your demographic information of your individual self differs from person to person, as well as gender as well. And because of that, we want to ensure that users have the proper context so that the application is tailored to them. And then that's why we get into goal, which is the goal of the app is for users to input the foods that they eat each day, ingredients, and estimated serving size, so that way they can share in plain human language along with the physical activity each day. So ultimately ensuring that they're able to share their food that they're eating and also their physical activity habits with the app in order for them to get tailored feedback, recommendations, praises, and insights. So that is the overall purpose of the app. And the best part is all I did was just wrote out the idea that I had in my head. I have it here in a paragraph. And now all I have to do is move onward to step 3, which also does not involve any code at all. Now let's move on. Now, as many as you see, for step 3, we are no longer in Replit, but instead we are in Claude AI within their chat feature. The reason we are in Claude AI is because you can use platforms such as Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, or ChatGPT to paste your basic plain language paragraphs that you wrote out for your idea prompt, to then revamp your prompt and improve your prompt prior to running it in whichever platform that you will utilize to actually build your app. And that's exactly what we're going to do with Claude here. It is going to improve the prompt, and then we're just going to take this improved prompt, bring it back over to Replit, and then just hit execute. And then as you will see, we are going to have a much better and well improved prompt for the application, so that way we can get our intended result on the first try, so that way instead of making improvements and enhancements, us not being in a situation where we just have to rebuild or recreate the app because we didn't get our intended result on the first try. So as you see, This is clean, neatly organized, exactly as we want it, with specifications, guardrails, and guidelines, and even things such as front end and back ends, and as well as key requirements. So all that we would do from here is just click the copy button, and then we would proceed on to Replit to hit the execute button to actually generate the particular application that we intended to create. So that can conclude step 3, which is revamping the prompt to actually run inside of Replit. And now once you actually get your Claude AI prompt that is revamped, you just copy that prompt and you just paste it right over into Replit. And once you paste it over into Replit, you just tell it to run the particular prompt, and then Replit goes on to actually start building. Building out the app can be pretty time consuming within the app afterwards. So oftentimes this is where you may wind down, go focus on another tasking or take a walk, anything of those things of the such. And within maybe 10 to 15 minutes later at the most, sometimes as little as 5 minutes from what I have seen, your particular application that you're building will be ready. Now we're at the point where the application, it's already built. You already built the thing, and the only difference now is that you just need to publish it and deploy it so that way you can actually utilize it. And within Replit, it's very simple. All you do is just click the publish button, and then it will just proceed to publish. Sometimes it may take 5 minutes or more, but other times it's very quick and within 1 or 2 minutes. It just depends on your overall internet connection and speeds. So, and then from here, you just click publish, and in just a bit, we'll get back to you with the actually built app. And now we have our final product and result, which is our application that we intended to build from the start. The best part is no code was utilized whatsoever. All you have to do is follow the easy 3 steps that I laid out, and you can easily get started on your own. Thank you for watching today's video, and happy building. All right, now thank you for watching today's video from Forge AI Labs. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe, and also please feel free to check us out at forge-ai-solutions.com. Thank you.